Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CN Honor on the screen and you are watching CN Great Counsels and Forex Trade. And today I just want to show you something quickly. I want to tell you how boom 500 would go in the next few days and weeks. Okay, now this is 1 hour time frame on boom 1000. I want to quickly show you how the market would most likely go, and it must be either of the two ways I'm going to show you right now. So it's a kind of analysis so that you know how to trade. You trade carefully on boom 500 these few days, and of course till next week. Of course this is 3rd of December stroke 4th of December. This is night, and I'm making this video, as you can see, 9 p.m. 3rd of December. Okay, now if you look very well, you discover that this is already what we call flag pattern, and this is bullish flag, and this formation is on both is on several time frames ranging from 1 hour time frame. In fact, it's visible on 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours, and if it continues, it's going to form a full flag pattern on daily time frame. And if that happens, of course, you know, ideally whenever there is flag pattern this way, that is talking about bullish flag pattern, the market is supposed to break ideally and then push up. Now I'm going to show you all that when we go to a higher time frame, like the 4 hours time frame, and of course the daily time frame. Now it's a very dicey moment, although I've been trading. Of course, you know, there's a trade running already, and I've been trading in between this box, okay, for days now. Now you discover that it's forming the flag part of the flag pattern, okay, if I'm correct. Now if you remember, I always say that if you're able to spot what the market is doing on higher time frame, you can always trade irrespective of the market structure, okay, irrespective of the current market structure. You discover that boom 500 has been on a bullish trend, okay, for a couple of weeks now, and this is, of course, look at this place when it started forming this flag. Is since let's call it 30th, okay, let's call it 29th of November, and this is, today is 3rd of November, and of course this is around 9 p.m. Almost 10 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, now I've been trading. Of course, you know, I'm a tick trader. I've been trading the bearish moves. Okay, I've been trading the bearish moves, and whenever it gets to somewhere here, you know, close to this, if you look very well, you discover that there is a respected trend line, okay, to the down, and you have same to the up, right? Yeah, but I trade ticks, okay. So what I do is that whenever it gets to the top, okay, it comes down, because I discover that it's forming a bullish flag pattern. Okay, this is a classic pattern, and of course whenever it happens this way, boom 500 most likely is gonna push up big time, and that is going to be when, today is Saturday already, when next week candle, okay, candle, that is weekly candle, will be introduced. Now two things, either of the two things are bound to happen. Once the weekly candle is introduced, okay, and boom 500 is yet to either break this trend line downwards or break the upwards. Whenever the weekly candle is introduced, there's going to be a kind of aggressive move to either of the side that he wants to go, okay, depending on where price action will drive it. Okay, now if it's gonna go bullish, what it means is that this is gonna be broken and which is the most likely from what is happening on daily time frame, okay, is going to go bullish big time, like aggressively. But if on the other hand this trend line is broken, and then that would lead to a failure of this flag pattern, and it will also go aggressively bearish. But the most likely is the bullish move, because this is a valid candle, a valid bullish flag pattern, as I'm going to show you on 4-hour time frame. Now let's go to 4-hour time frame, and of course let's go landscape so that you have a better view of what I'm talking about. Now if you look very well, you discover this is flag shape already, okay. And like I said, ideally the market is supposed to break this place, break this upper side, and of course go bullish, go big time bullish, okay, big time bullish. Now aside that, you discover that there is a kind of resistance around here, but that is already broken to an extent, but not completely. And then this is a huge space. This is a huge space. This place is a huge space, okay. And the market most likely, even if it does not break even, is going to still push up. But I'm looking at it that it's going to break even. Let's go to daily time frame. Let's go to daily time frame and see more of what is happening there. Now this market, boom 1000, generally is on a bearish move. It's been bearish, okay. Now from higher time frame, if you go to lower time frame like 1 hour, the current movement is still bullish. It's bullish, okay, on 1 hour. But generally if you go to higher time frame, this market is on a bearish move now, as you can see. But then because of that bullish flag that is being formed, there is this likelihood that, now if you look, this is daily time frame, the bullish flag is also visible here, because doesn't this look like a flag? Of course it does. Look at it. It looks like a flag, and ideally it's supposed to push up, breaking even to the upside. And I'm looking at it that it's going to at least push up. And if you look very well, this is also like a W pattern. And even if it does not push up to retest this high, okay, there is this likelihood that it's going to push up when the weekly candlestick is introduced, at least to test this moving average period 200, okay. That's why I said the most likely move of boom 500 is bullish. But then we have to really wait for the weekly candle, which of course is going to be introduced in about a day or 2 days time now, okay. But if it happens, okay, this market is going to move aggressively to either of the side that it would break even, okay. Now that is why I'm bringing this video to you, and I'm uploading it this Saturday, being the 4th, okay. This is night already of 3rd December. So I'm uploading these videos that you be cautious of what is happening, and so that you not be caught unawares, okay. Remember that whatever that is happening on higher time frame, okay, controls what is happening on lower time frame. Now if you are trading the bearish moves of boom 500, you really have to be careful with it. Be careful with your trading, and so that you don't encounter huge losses, because most likely boom 500 is gonna go bullish. Please, if you have watched this video to this very point, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Now I decided to plot this tools so that it will look so visible, and you see how the bullish flag pattern is formed. Now if this continues, it's going to be ranging just as you're seeing. Maybe another maybe by tomorrow it will come this way, okay, and then still come this way. That's how it's going to be retesting it. And of course I'm going to exit this trade after this video, because of course it's reversing from the downtrend. Okay, it's going bullish once again. But I just wanted to leave the trade until I'm done recording, and I can't be in loss because this is 1 hour time frame already, and I'm in profit. Okay, good one, good profit. So I just wanted to take note of this, take cognizance of it, and then trade carefully on boom 500 this weekend, and watch out for what will happen next as soon as the weekly candlestick is introduced. Okay, but I tell you, there's gonna be aggressive move to either of the sides that he would want to drive to. Okay, so you just have to take note of that. And remember, I said that if it breaks, even if it does not get to this high on daily time frame, it must test, and which is the most likely, it's gonna retest this moving average period 200. So guys, that's just what I wanted you guys to know, because I don't want you to encounter huge loss now. And even if I decide to draw a trend line from here, you discover that it's still in line. I can take it from here down. You see that it has corresponded with the moving average. Okay, so it's most likely going to test that moving average, which is good. This is daily time frame. A push to retest that moving average can blow even $10,000 account. Okay, so you just have to take note of this so that you don't trade blindly on boom 500 this weekend, and of course till the beginning of the week when the new weekly candlestick will be introduced. So guys, many thanks for watching this video once again. Remember that I'm doing all this because I want to keep to my promise that I said that the remaining part of the year is gonna be pure for you guys. And of course we're on the move already, and stay tuned. Always check out for new videos on my channel, and this year will remain pure for you. This is CN Great Councils signing out for today, and I'm going to talk to you right in my next video. Bye.